Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, today's video I will be showing you how I style my hair with this DIY flaxseed hair gel. If you are interested in its benefits and how I make it, then I will leave the link in the description box below. So grab a seat, grab some snacks, drink tea, water, whatever, and let's get right into this video. Okay, you guys, so I am starting off with dry hair. I had just finished washing my hair. I did a DIY avocado hair treatment as well, and I will leave the link in the description box below. As you can see, my hair is matted. The roots are so dry, and I have so much particles in my hair from the treatment, so it really does need to detangle and clear out. A little bit about my hair. The back of my hair is looser as well as thinner, so I think it's 3C. Don't quote me please, but I think it's 3C. And the middle and the top of my hair most definitely is a 4 type something because my hair strands are all so thick and dry, and yeah. But as you can see, I am back and my hair is washed. I decided to wash it out and it's slightly finger detangled because I couldn't do it. No, I couldn't do it. But it's all good now and we are ready for the next step. Okay, so I'll be using grapeseed oil and this water bottle. I'm going to slightly finger detangle my hair. Like I said, it's slightly damp, so that's what I'm doing throughout my hair. But I got tired, I got tired, like finger detangling. So I decided to use a pick just to pick out the rest of it. Okay, you guys, so now that that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair and I'm going to put the grapeseed oil all throughout my scalp. And I'm going to make sure that it's distributed through my back, the sides, and the top. And it doesn't have to be perfect, we're just trying to get the oil touching our scalp. That's it. Now for the start of the show, our flaxseed hair gel. So as you can see, I sectioned off my hair in 3, and I'm going to start off with the back section of my hair. I'm going to spritz some water. Now my water bottle is a bit wonky, so don't mind the heavy drips of water you see falling down. Trust me, I'm only spritzing my hair with a little bit of water just to make it damp because at this point my hair was very dry. Then I'm going to take the grapeseed oil and I'm just going to rub that through my hair strands. Nothing much, something simple, and make sure I get your ends too. Don't mind me, I'm just dancing to my music. And then same applies with the gel. We're just going to put it on our strands and make sure that we get our ends. Then we are going to do the next side of my hair. Same thing. Make sure there's no knots, no tangles. Make sure that it's slightly damped. Then we're going to take the grapeseed oil and we're going to put it through our strands. And honestly, you guys, at this point, this was the first time I've ever used grapeseed oil on my hair, and it felt like water was just on my hair, literally. It smelled good. That's literally what I said. I really enjoyed using this, and it's so moisturizing. Just look at that. And just the oil. And then we're going to take our flaxseed gel and we're just going to put it all through our strands as well. And we're going to watch, listen, watch the magic happen. Hold on, hold on. Yes, look at that. I love it so much. I love using flaxseed on my curls. It makes it pop. I most definitely love it. So I'm going to do this throughout the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back now and I have done my entire head. All we have to do is the front section. I am going to take this rat tail comb. I am going to part my hair diagonally. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and just section that off into a little puff. And I will be doing that throughout the front of my hair. Just 3 small sections. Okay, you guys, now I did spritz water as well as put the oil on my ends, and I'm just going to tangle that out with the comb. However, I did not put the gel on the strands because it's not going to be out curly. I'm going to have it tucked away. I tried to achieve like a little diagonal triangular parting thing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 3 ends and I am going to put them together. And I am going to take this bobby pin. I'm going to just tuck that into my fro. Then I'm going to take these golden clips here, 3 of them, and right where the rubber bands are, I'm going to just place them right on top. And that is it, you guys. I rocked this style for maybe a week and a half, so I was very, very happy with this style. And at this point I was home, so I literally enjoyed this hairstyle. And when it dried, my curls popped. It was glossy. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Thank you, you guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. I go the way for you. I go the way for you. It make a man loco, baby snap it photo. Anywhere you there, baby me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want the lotto. Nancy.